I've been trading for 4 years, bro, and I'm barely taking my first payout today. Right? So as you can see right here, bam. And payout, top step. Hearing this, but if you get one payout, it might have been lucky. Right? Until you like that one payout that I got might have been fucking lucky, bro. Until I could consistently prove to myself that I'm able to withdraw money from these markets, then that's not luck. So I'm doing
like my stomach feels sick. They like, oh my god, when will he quit? He been chasing paper, one day he'll be real rich. They like, oh my god, he still lit. He play for the Raiders, way in the field, bitch.
Alright, good morning everybody, how's it going? It's currently like 6 in the morning right now, 6:20, a couple minutes before market open. I'm going to update you guys on the market, if I take a trade, what I'm looking for, how it plays out. I did pass my second funded account, so I got 2 funded right now. I'm not going to touch the one that I ran up to 4,000. So I'm gonna leave that one. I'm gonna just work on this other one, try to get that one up to 4,000 and just repeat the process. So I'll go ahead and see you guys later when I'm all updated. I'm also gonna hop on a live call with my Discord. I'll go ahead and if you guys want to join the Discord, I go live every Fridays with them. It's like 6 of us, 5 of us right now. I'm gonna go ahead and post it in the I'll start posting it in every YouTube video link. Alright. I'll go ahead and see you guys.
Alright, what's up everybody? How's it going? I'm back after market. It's currently 10 right now. I ended up blowing that funded account, right? I didn't blow it on a bad trade. Stop loss did not get hit. I just over risked. I risked too much on the trade. I ended up risking I full ported the account, right? So I risked a full 2,000 on the 50K account. Drawdown went down, I think like 2,200. Ended up blowing the whole account. So from now on, instead of full porting, I'll probably half port it, so risk 1,000. Overall, that trade would have hit though. If I'll go ahead and show you guys right now. I'm going to show you guys the trade that I was in. Okay, as we can see right here, I got in the trade. Let's go ahead and delete all this shit. I'll do a trade recap for you guys to show you guys what I saw and everything. If I would have just stayed more patient, as you can see, we have an SMT. If you look at NASDAQ and if you look at ES, higher highs with lower lows, right? So NAS was the lagging indicator. I should have took my trades off of ES though. I would have got a cleaner fill. Other than that, we had this 5-minute order block, which is invalid because the move up was this one that caused the sweep of liquidity. Oh no, this was the move up. So this is the move up that caused the liquidity sweep, and then we got a break of structure. So this was an order block right here. I should have waited for this fair value gap. I had limit orders right here with the stops above these highs. I wanted my stops to be above these highs, right? But since I full ported and got in way down here, this drawdown was too much. So if I would have been a little bit more patient, oh no, I was at the 640 candle. So I got in like at 641, which was over here. I ended up blowing this account though. Overall, it's fine, right? I remember back then I used to blow the account and fucking not be mad, but my whole day would be ruined after that. Fuck, my bad. My whole day would be ruined after that. But now, I mean, once you start to realize that if you're risking 200, all right, in order to make, let's say, a couple thousand, that's a 10x, 20x. No, that's a 5x, 10x on your return. If you're risking 200 to make 2,000, right? So I'm coming into trading now with the mindset of I know I could pass the accounts. I know I could get these payouts. Well, not get the payouts, but I know I could make money from these accounts. So it doesn't really phase me no more that I'm blowing these accounts. It does hurt your bank account though. This is why I'm glad that I have a job to fund this shit. Right? Again, it's just a hobby. But today I am gonna take my first payout. I've been trading for 4 years, bro, and I'm barely taking my first payout today. right? So we go ahead and see on the dashboard, back to funded. I'm not paying. If you're paying $500 to reactivate your funded account, don't do it. Let me tell you guys, don't do it because your ROI is not that. If you could pass, if you know and you've proven to yourself that you could pass it, right, the combine, and then just pay the $150, that's only $200. If you go back to funded, that's $500. It's not really a good ROI. So, let's go ahead and show you guys the other account. Bam. It's gonna be a long clip that I'm showing you guys. So as you guys can see right here, I'm up 4K on this account. This is my actual trading account. So this is the account that I don't risk too much on. I risk the 250. I get my payouts and leave it like that. Right? I was gonna build this account up to 10,000, like I told you guys before, but again, I don't want to. If I take my payout, I'll be okay with blowing the account if I do lose 8 trades in a row, just because I already took the profits from the account already. So as we go ahead and see payouts, I'm eligible for 2,000. So I'm gonna go ahead and request that payout, get my 2K, and just go on about this trading shit. Right, I'm gonna go ahead and hit a workout, and I'll pick you guys up later, probably during the trade recap. So I'll see y'all. Alright, what's up everybody? How's it going? I'm back. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the trade from Friday. Well, this is still gonna be Friday's video. I'm behind on this YouTube schedule, so these videos are gonna be coming out a little later than usual. But first things first, coming in the market open on Friday, I was bearish. Right, we have 6:30 market open right here, 6:30 market open over here on ES. We have a bunch of downside liquidity rather than upside. So we'll go ahead and see what price does. So bam, price comes up. First of all, I was bearish, right? My first initial thing was bearish. I ended up getting in on a pre-market trade, which was stupid of me. I thought market was gonna open and then we were gonna have a dump, but we didn't end up doing that. I got in around here. I ended up making like 3,000 off of this. Move stops to break even, ended up getting stopped out at break even, and I ended up blowing the account. Right? Was the trade idea wrong? No. Was my entry wrong? And was I over leveraging? Yes. So I wanted my stops to be above this high up here, right? Or at this high. As we can see, go ahead and see. I ended up getting in at 41, which was around. Let's keep going. Bam, right here. I ended at the bottom of this fucking candlestick. I always bottom tick my motherfucking my stop loss. I want it stops way above here, and instead of leveraging right to where I just stayed on MQ, right, targeted these London lows. You can see what happens. Bam, I ended up getting stopped out somewhere around, let's see, I think it was 7 o'clock was news. Yeah, right here. I got stopped out probably I think it was on this candle right here. I got stopped out at. After that, you can see price ends up coming down and hitting that all liquidity levels and some. So overall, trade recap on Friday was not bad. What I should have took my trade off of was off this fill of this 5-minute fair value gap. I was way over here. We go ahead and see we got this 5-minute fair value gap. Also, too, what gave me more confluence in this trade to even take this trade idea is this how ES look. I mean, this is how NAS look at 7 o'clock. And let's go ahead and look at ES at 7 o'clock. Bam. Look at that. We had a straight SMT from here to here. A+ textbook trade setup. I just ended up losing money on it. Overall, good trade. Overall, just bad risk management. If I didn't risk the full account, I would have been profitable or had profits for this day. But I'll go ahead and see you guys in the next clip. I wanted to get my whole payout all in one video, so that's why these videos were late / pushed behind, because I was waiting for the payout to hit, and it hit today. So I'll see you guys in the next clip of me going over, like me showing you guys proof of my payout and all that. So I'll see you guys then. All right, what's up, everybody? How's it going? I'm back. So I ended up doing the trade recap for you guys. I don't know what order it's gonna be in, but let's go ahead and show you guys something real quick. As you guys remember in the beginning of this video, I ended up taking a payout. It's a couple days later. That's why this video hasn't came out yet. As you can see right here, bam. I hope it didn't show shit. Alright, fuck it. I ended up getting my payout. Let's go ahead and go to the bank account so you guys can see it's actually hit the bank account. I did it on Friday. Today's Monday. It took me 4 days to actually get my payout. Bam, right here. I don't know what I'm supposed to be covering, but I just turned my phone off. As you can see right here, bam, I ended up getting the fucking payout, top step. To be honest, it still doesn't feel like I accomplished what I wanted to accomplish. I kept telling myself the first payout I'll be satisfied with it, the first payout. I just feel like, I don't want to say it was luck. Once I start getting more payouts, then I'll start looking into this shit like, okay, I'm actually getting there. Because the first payout, some traders don't probably like to hear this or won't probably like hearing this. But if you get one payout, it might have been lucky, right? Until you, like that one payout that I got might have been fucking lucky, bro. Until I could consistently prove to myself that I'm able to withdraw money from these markets, then that's not luck, because I'm doing it consistently, right? So that's gonna be it for today's video. Thank you guys for everybody who's been on this journey with me. This is just a small milestone, right, to where I actually want to be. But appreciate all you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video.